We start with the document setup. We include Tailwind CSS to handle the styling. The body gets a dark gradient background from Slater 900 to Grade 800, and we use Flexbox to center the chat window perfectly on the screen. This is the main layout. We use a flex call direction so the header, chat area, and input stack vertically. The chat area uses Flex 1 to occupy all remaining space and Overflow Y-Auto to allow scrolling when messages pile up. The footer contains the input field and send button. We use Tailwind's focus ring classes to add a green glow when the user clicks into the text box, enhancing the interactive feel. This function handles the visual creation of messages. We create a new div, decide if it should be aligned left or right based on the sender, and insert it into the chat container. We also force the scroll bar to the bottom so the newest message is always visible. This is the brain of the bot. It takes the user's input, converts it to lowercase to make matching easier, and checks for specific keywords to return a pre-written answer. Finally, we wire up the events. The send message function adds the user's text immediately, clears the input, and then uses set timeout to create a small 500 milliseconds delay before the bot replies, making it feel more natural.